to Brooklyn Bennett's Baking Show! Featuring our new helper, Samuel. Hi, Boo. And today we're making whoopie pies. Whoopies. Yeah, whoopies. Super whoopie. Here's all the things we need. Flour, oil, pure vanilla, eggs, butter, brown sugar, baking soda, pumpkin, maple syrup, cream cheese, salt, baking powder. Let's get started. Yeah, let's get started. First we're gonna put in the flour. Oops. I got some flour on my hand. 3 cups of flour. Ah! You got dust on me. Hey, get off of me, flour. This is not enough. As big as a penguin. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I'm gonna add 1 spoon of baking powder. Ha! The right one. Three tablespoons of pumpkin pie spice. I'm just flattening it up. 1, 2, 3. And then we mix it. I love our baking show. Yeah, it's not just yours. I know. Get it all out. Okay, done. Resume mixing. We forgot to do the salt for our baking show. Now we're gonna mix the sugars and oil. 1 cup of sugar. Ooh, that's a lot. It's like a small anthill. 1 cup of brown sugar. And 1 cup of oil. Ooh. It's like we're making oatmeal. Now we'll stir it. Next we're gonna add the pumpkin. For a whoopie pies whoopie. I chewed it in this baking show. 3 cups of pumpkin. Make sure it's all out. The pumpkin smells yummy. Now we should stir it. Yummy pumpkin. It smells like pumpkin. And egg. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Whoopee! Whoopee! Add your flour to the pumpkin mixture. Stir it around and around. Whoa, whoa, the bowl is getting dizzy. Smells like fall. Smells like fall. I could do this baking show every day. Scoop it onto a cookie sheet where the dots are. Hey, how can you get off? Ooh. Don't pound it. Yum yum. Put it in the oven, 350. Bake it for 10 minutes. Beat half a cup of butter until smooth. This one's slippy. Shaky. Now add 8 ounces of cream cheese. Stop being crazy, crazy horse! I feel cold air on my arm. Our whoopies. 3 cups of powdered sugar. All of it so that I can ride this crazy horse. We're doing it. Yeah. My whoopies. My whoopies. My whoopie whoopies. Add your maple syrup. and add your vanilla. Yummy.
Take your break. Maybe have a snack.
Yeah, maybe have some raspberries.
When your whoopies are cool,
Fill them with the cream cheese.
you need a lot, like Bennett.
And that's how we make whoopies. And that's it for this episode.
Yum.
See you next time on Brooklyn and Ben's Baking Show.